Hi, I'm Jack from IKO. According to the experts, severe weather events are on the rise, and homeowners are demanding better protection. But so is the insurance industry. That's why the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety, or IBHS, introduced its Fortified Home Standards for buildings with a particular focus on roofs. In response, IKO has created a multi-layered approach that helps meet these new stringent policies. First, we created Nordic, the only shingle that IKO makes that has a Class 4 impact resistance rating, and we added it to the Performance collection along with Dynasty. These shingles have a reinforced ArmourZone nailing area for quick and accurate installation, as well as exceptional resistance to nail pull-through. Combined with IKO's special FastLock sealant, these shingles are designed to resist uplift and blow-ups in high winds and are covered with a 130-mile-an-hour wind-limited warranty. Next, IKO created two performance accessories, Gold Seam Roof Sealing Tape and Edge Seal Starter Roll. Gold Seam is a multi-purpose roofing tape which can be used in a variety of deck protection applications. Its two most common applications are a seam tape for roof deck sealing and as a sealant for the gap in between the fascia and the roof deck, the area of the roof that's most vulnerable to ice damming, moisture, rot problems, insect and rodent infestation, and water infiltration. Edge Seal is a double-sided adhesive starter roll that you lay along to even the rig. Thanks to being 3/4 of an inch wider than standard and its super aggressive bonding power, Edge Seal offers superior protection against perimeter wind uplift. If you'd like to learn more about any of these products or IBHS Fortified, go to IKO.com or reach out to your local sales rep today.